short tutorial to install the Bed Luxury Suite, aka Family Bedding Coverlet. Bed Luxury Suite is an accessory that is always installed at the factory. It is always installed if it is ordered together with the sofa. If you order it later because you realize perhaps only later that you need it, then you have to, with some care, install it. It is not a complicated thing. However, you have to scrupulously follow the steps that I indicate in this tutorial. We should install 2 bands of male Velcro in this position. Here I have already installed it. You can see it. You use the outermost part of the back welded mesh, and the system will be this here. The Velcro is sewn in such a way as it can cling to the tube. We attach our Velcro to the outside of the mattress retainer, keeping it as taut as possible, at which point we thread it into the back welded mesh. 1 rod yes, 1 rod no, in such a way that it has a lot of clinging surface to contact. Then with the Bed Luxury Suite, we go over the stringers, mind you, not underneath, over, and start again. Once the center panel is finished, which is often replaced also by the slats, you get to the front. Here you do not need to pass the Velcro. However, the same work will still have to be done on the straps. So, in the elastic straps, top and bottom, in such a way that also in this case have a fixed for our Velcro. Arriving at the bottom, at the end, we find a scissor as at the beginning, and on this side we will try to stretch as much as possible the Velcro, so we take some force and we stop it. At this point we have secured the side supports. We take Luxury Suite, which has a front and back direction, but it will be easy to figure out. Front is longer to cover. The seats as well. Behind it is just barely so as not to jam the mechanism. We center it on the mattress retainer, and we fasten the Velcro straps in this position in such a way that it becomes integral with the mechanism. We will do the same thing at the back. Once shod the mattress retainer in the front and the mattress retainer in the back and tied with Velcro straps, we will find ourselves in the condition of being able to fasten. Finally, the main part, that is this Velcro, the one we installed before. So we lay out Luxury Suite and in the right position, careful because then it is hard to take off. We start fixing the Velcro from one side all the way down, and then the other side. At this point we have installed our protection from iron, aesthetic protection. The sofa looks better. The net top is insulated. The mattress is protected from dust and from the cold of the floor, and we have an almost luxury sofa bed.